Hi everyone, I'm Ishan Sharma and in this video I want to give you a tour of my desk and what it looks like. मैंने पिछले साल ये वीडियो बनाया था and आप सब लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगा था वो. A lot of you were asking me कि ये कहाँ से यूज़ करते हो, ये कौन सी ब्रांड का लगाते हो and all of that. So I thought in this video I will show you exactly what I have. बहुत सारे एडवांसमेंट्स हुए हैं ओवर द लास्ट 1 ईयर, बहुत सारी नई चीज़ें मैंने खरीदी हैं एंड सो आई वांट टू शेयर विद यू एग्जैक्टली दैट. मेक श्योर दैट यू हिट द लाइक बटन एंड सब्सक्राइब. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू आस्क यू दिस क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डज योर सेटअप लुक लाइक एंड व्हाट इज द वन थिंग दैट यू आर द मोस्ट प्राउड अबाउट इन योर सेटअप. I will show you my setup right now. First of all, we'll take a look at the chair. जैसा आप देख सकते हो, this is the green sole chair that I have. The best part about this chair is the flexibility, right? So when I'm sitting, this can just, move back according to my will. And I think I love this one part about it. So whenever I'm working, I like to move it back like this and I would just be working like this in my setup. So that is the best part about it. It is quite ergonomical. It is an office chair from Greensole. Previously जो मैंने वीडियो बनाई थी उसके अंदर मेरे पास एक Greensole की गेमिंग चेयर थी. That one was double the price of this one. But I did not particularly like it. मेरे को वो इतनी flexible, उतनी comfortable नहीं लगी for some reason. But this one is definitely much better. I don't know why that is, but that is just what my preference has been. आप बताओ आपके पास कौन सी चेयर है and which one do you particularly love the most? This one was about I think 7,000 to 8,000 rupees. So that was the cost of this one. Moving on, let's take a look at the mouse, right? तो यहाँ पर मेरे पास है the Logitech MX Master. I don't know if you can see this or not. This is the Logitech MX Master 3 that I have gotten. 3S नहीं लिया मैंने 3 prefer किया because I actually like the sound of the click. So I love this one sound and I think I spent a lot on this mouse. मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए था. This cost me another 7,000 rupees. एक साल पहले I used to do a lot of things myself. तो videos मैं खुद edit करता था, thumbnail मैं खुद बनाता था. तो I think this one is great for video editors because यहाँ पे जो बहुत सारे keys यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं, if you can see this properly, this helps you a lot. And I particularly love the structure of this. तो मेरा जो हाथ है उसको पूरा ये मॉडल कर रखा है and it feels very good, much better than the previous Logitech का जो मेरे पास था Bluetooth वाला. So I particularly love this a lot. Also यहाँ पर मैं इसको 3 डिवाइसेस से पेयर कर सकता हूँ. यहाँ पर 3 ऑप्शन दिए हुए हैं, if you can see this, 1, 2 and 3. So I can change between these using this button, right? So that is the best part about this mouse right here. But I think this was more of an overkill. इतनी ज़रूरत नहीं थी. The previous one was about I think 1,500 rupees. This one is 7,000. So pretty expensive for a mouse, I feel. But मैंने ये बहुत सारे लोगों के पास देखा था, right? Like MKBHD uses this and a lot of other YouTubers have been using this and have been recommending this mouse. तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना मैं भी लेके देखूं. It was good, but I don't know if it is worth the price. आप बताओ, what do you think about this? First of all, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आ रही हो तो make sure कि वीडियो को लाइक कर दो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो. And now let's take a look at the next thing, which is this keyboard. मुझे बहुत सारे लोगों ने कीबोर्ड के बारे में पूछा कि ये कीबोर्ड कौन सा है, कितने का आया, कहाँ से लिया. ये कीबोर्ड मैंने परचेज किया था Keychron इंडिया की वेबसाइट से. This is the Keychron K2V2. I think it has the blue switches. And this is a mechanical keyboard particularly. I did not get the full keyboard क्योंकि मुझे छोटे कीबोर्ड पसंद है and I'm not doing a lot of tasks on Excel, तो मुझे वो नंबर पैड नहीं चाहिए था. Now talking about this keyboard, I love how clicky this is. Like आप देखो इसको. I love this tactile feel that I have whenever I touch it, whenever I click on the keys. Right, so that is the best part about it. Also I love यहाँ पे जो lights जलती हैं, right, like if you can see जो इसमें light जल रही हैं, बहुत सारे combinations होते हैं through which the lights keep changing. So I love this part about it as well. And इसकी battery life भी बहुत ज़्यादा है, right, so that is a great thing. I can also switch between Bluetooth cable या फिर I can also turn it off with this switch right here. एक चीज़ है, थोड़ा सा भारी कीबोर्ड है ये. Also जब मैं इस पर लिखता हूँ ना फॉर लॉन्ग आवर्स, तो क्या होता है कि आई एम ऑलवेज पुटिंग माई हैंड लाइक दिस, तो मेरे हाथ में कई बार दर्द हो जाता है. सो दैट इज़ वन मोर कॉन फॉर दिस वन. बट आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस. दिस वन वॉज अबाउट 7,500 rupees, बट एब्सोल्युटली वर्थ इट, राइट? आई हैव नो क्वेश्चंस अबाउट इट. इफ आई कुड गो बैक, आई वुड परचेज द सेम keyboard once again, right? So this is a no-brainer right here. If you have the money, get the Kaytron K2B2. Okay, moving on, let's take a look at the next thing, which has to be the laptop that you can see over there. This right here is the MacBook Pro 14 inches with the M1 Pro chipset. अब मैंने ये MacBook अभी recently purchase किया था. Previously I had the MacBook M1 Air and I love this laptop for a couple of reasons. Number one is the display, right? इसका जो display है, it is at least 2 to 3 times better than the MacBook Air M1 का display. I just love watching documentaries on this one and editing videos and just getting day-to-day tasks done, and I never feel like मेरी आंखें कुछ चुभ रहा होता है. कई बार I look at these Windows की जो सस्ते लैपटॉप आते हैं उनकी स्क्रीन्स देखता हूँ and I just feel horrible whenever I look at those. But this one is a joy to use. I love this screen. Also इसमें bezels बहुत कम है compared to the MacBook Air M1. Not a utility but just an observation. Also इसका जो webcam है, मैं बहुत सारी meetings करता हूँ as a creator, as a freelancer. I do meetings every single day. आज भी I think 3 से 4 घंटे I was on meetings and calls, and I just love the 1080p webcam on this one. The previous one had a 720p webcam which was just not that great, but this one is amazing. So that is one more great part about it. Also क्योंकि मैं videos record करता हूँ and I also edit videos, one thing I do all the time is to take out the SD card. जैसे ये वीडियो रिकॉर्ड हो रही है, उसमें से मैं SD कार्ड निकालूंगा कैमरे का, इसके अंदर डालूंगा और एडिट करूंगा, राइट? नाउ इसमें क्या होता है, देयर इज ऑलरेडी अ इनबिल्ट पोर्ट फॉर SD कार्ड. प्रीवियसली MacBook M1 Air में नहीं था वो, so I had to buy this USB-C hub, right? And I had to keep it with me all the times, and that was a hassle. It is much more easier for me to plug it into this laptop and start editing my videos, right? It is seamless and I love that part about it. इसका एक कॉन है, and that I personally felt, I don't know if you feel it or not if you own this machine, and that is the battery life. I don't know, for some reason it has just not been great for me. I think it is comparatively lesser a bit compared to the MacBook Air M1 in practical day-to-day uses. But that's just my experience. अगर आप use करते हो MacBook Pro 14 inch, let me know in the comment section as well if that is happening to you as well. I am completely fine with the keyboard, but I preferred the MacBook Air का जो keyboard था, that was much better than this one. And the trackpad is bigger, much bigger, which is definitely a great point about it. So this was a great laptop, a great purchase. If you have the money for it, if you have the budget for it, definitely go for it and you will never regret this one decision. अब इस laptop के नीचे we have a laptop stand. अब ये stand मेरे पास पहले एक plastic का stand था, अब मेरे पास एक वुडन का स्टैंड है. दिस इज मच मोर मिनिमल, राइट? इसके अंदर कुछ लेवल्स नहीं है दैट आई कुड एडजस्ट, but it is a lot simpler to use and it will not break easily as well. So I got this one for myself. That is one great thing as well. Moving on, we have this speaker. अब ये speaker I have been using from 2017 and it has been working for me just fine. So I just keep using it over and over again. This is the Sony, I don't know कौन सा speaker है ये. I'll just put the name over here so you can have a look at it if you're interested. I got this one from Amazon. And this speaker was I think about 5,000, 7,000 ऐसे कुछ का था. And I love the sound, I love the battery, and I love how it automatically pairs up with my MacBook. So that is the great part about it. Previously I was also having this Beats का Beats Pill Plus, but I did not actually use it for much time. I preferred using this one for the battery life and the audio quality of the speaker. So this is absolutely amazing. Also क्या होता है, this one has lights as you can see around it. So when you play a music, the lights flicker along with it. So you can turn off the lights of the room and this lights will go on. That is also a great feature. So that is about that. We also have the AirPods second generation, as you can see right here. Now I love these. I know बहुत महंगे हैं. I cannot justify the cost of it as well, but I think this just makes everything a lot more convenient, right? Like I can just put them on. अगर let's just say I'm listening to a video on my MacBook and then I get a call on my phone, तो ये automatically switch हो जाता है मेरे phone में and I can now take my call just on this thing. And just because of the convenience, I am still using it. इसकी audio quality अच्छी लगी मेरे को. I am not quite sure about the durability on this one because कई बार मैंने इसे गिरा दिया मेरे हाथ से and it has been completely fine, but it might break as well because ये plastic का है and it is not that great of a material I feel. थोड़ा cheap भी feel होता है मेरे को whenever I use this compared to any other earphone. Now the next thing I want to talk about is this display right here. This is a 29-inch ultra wide monitor that I got from LG on Amazon. This one costed me about 19,000 I think, and the best part about it is just the ultra wide real estate that I get, the screen that I get, right? काफ़ी अच्छी लगी मेरे को ये screen particularly. It is not that high quality. This is only full HD. If I could go back in time, I would have gotten myself a 4K display. That one would have been much better. But it is not bad. I think I love this. But again, going from this MacBook Pro display to this display is a big difference, right? It is like day and night. You will feel that when you use it. Also, if you will notice, we don't have the stand of this. So basically, I got this Amazon's basic ka monitor arm, which is holding this whole monitor, right? And it looks much better, much more cleaner. And यहाँ बहुत जगह बच जाती है for me to put anything that I want underneath it as well. So that is the best part about it. Also, one more thing I want to talk about is this mobile holder that I got, right? अब ये mobile holder I got from Finet Media. Thank you so much, Finet Media. As you can see right here, this is quite convenient for me to just put my phone on charging and still view it, right? So I just would normally keep it here and I would have my phone right here as well. So that is about it. I have this one fake plant as well. I don't know why it is here. थोड़ा सा अच्छा दिखता है, right? Aesthetic looks good. Also, I have this one, what do you call it, mouse pad. Normal mouse pad I got from Amazon. It's very simple. After that, let's look at the next part, which would have to be these microphones, right? So जैसे आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे, this is Rode Wireless Go 2. ये बहुत अच्छे माइक्रोफोन लगे मेरे को in my experience. I got these I think 3 to 4 months back and I've had the best experience with it. It is a lot more convenient for me to use this versus जैसे पिछले बार जब मैंने वीडियो शूट करी तो I was using something like this. I was using this mic, Blue Yeti mic. The reason I prefer the Rode mic over this Blue Yeti mic is because of the distraction जो इसमें आता है, right? यहाँ पे लगा रहेगा पूरे टाइम whenever I'm talking. So I don't want this one thing. So that is why इसको मैंने साइड रखा and I got myself these mics. This one costed me about 30,000 rupees. बहुत महंगे हैं, right? I think this Blue Yeti was about 10,000, but because of the wireless nature, अगर ये कैमरा बहुत दूर भी होता, I would still be able to talk and I would still be able to make this video, right? So I think this is much better and an obvious buy if you are a creator, if you want to grow, if you want to create better quality videos. ये आपको लेना ही चाहिए. Again, description में सारे चीज़ों के link मिल जाएंगे आपको. You can purchase it if you want to through Amazon or through any other place as well. So that is what we have. इसमें दो मिलते हैं, right? As you can see, ये मैंने एक लगा रखा है यहाँ पे and एक और मिलता है, as you can see right here. तो इसको मैंने पेयर कर रखा है with a रिसीवर. अब ये रिसीवर जो है ये कैमरे के ऊपर लगा हुआ है सो दैट द ऑडियो इज ट्रांसमिटेड प्रॉपरली. सो दैट इज हाउ इट बेसिकली वर्क्स एंड काफ़ी आसान हो जाता है, राइट? सो राइट नाउ दिस ऑडियो इज सिंकिंग विद दिस वीडियो इटसेल्फ. पहले मेरे को अलग से एक ऑडियो फाइल मिलती थी एंड एक वीडियो फाइल मिलती थी एंड आई हैड टू सिंक बोथ ऑफ देम टुगेदर. सो दैट जस्ट मेक्स इट अ लॉट मोर कन्वीनियंट. मूविंग ऑन, आई हैव one more camera right here on my screen. This one, as you can see, is the Sony ZV-1 camera that I was using previously. अब मैंने इसे चेंज कर लिया है and the current camera through which I'm recording this video is the Sony ZV-E10 camera, which is much better. It also has a detachable lens that I can change and I can have a better quality lens as well if I want. And this one costed me about 54,000 rupees for this new camera. This one I bought for about 55,000 rupees from OLX itself. I like this one, but I think this is better as a secondary camera. First, I should have a better camera, and that is why we have the Sony ZV-E10 right here. It is just a lot more sharp, I feel, right? So I love the quality on this camera right here. But I think this one is definitely a great one as well. अच्छा, बात करते हैं about this desk, right? ये जो desk है, I got it from IKEA. I think ये 2 साल से मैं use कर रहा हूँ desk. It is very good for the price, right? तो I got this for 1600 rupees. 1600 रुपए की ये desk थी and it has been working out very well for me. So as you can see, this is the stand that I am using. It is the Digitech stand that I got from Amazon for about 1500 रुपए. And this is the camera right here through which we are recording. उसके ऊपर Rode का लगा हुआ है wireless microphone. And this is the setup that we have as you can see right here. यहाँ पर अभी दो और चीज़ें हैं. Number one is this light. एक ये लाइट है और एक ये लाइट है that I got from Amazon. Again, ये दोनों लाइट कॉस्टेड मी अबाउट 15,000 ईच, तो अबाउट 30,000 की ये दोनों लाइट्स थी दैट आई गॉट अलॉन्ग विद द स्टैंड एंड दिस कवरिंग, दिस डिफ्यूज़र आई गॉट फ्रॉम Amazon एज वेल. ऑल्सो आई हैव दिस केबल मैनेजमेंट के लिए, आई हैव दिस एक्सटेंशन. आई डोंट नो ये कौन सी कंपनी का था, अगेन इसका डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक डाल दूंगा मैं, सो दैट यू कैन हैव अ लुक एट इट. एंड द केबल मैनेजमेंट ऑन दिस सेटअप इज़ हॉरिबल एज यू कैन सी राइट हियर. Totally not the best in the world, but it gets the job done and that is why I use it right here. तो नीचे से तार आते हैं, ये HDMI के केबल है जो यहाँ पे लग जाता है and it just works really well for me. Also, if you will look over here, I also have these lights that I got from Amazon and this plant. This is not a fake plant, ये actual में real plant है that I have to water every single day as you can see right here. But that is what we have. This is the setup itself. ये एक बिली बुक केस है that I got from IKEA for about 5,000 rupees and यहाँ पे बहुत सारी किताबें रखी हुई हैं as you can see right here. Also we have the Crush It on LinkedIn right over there and the YouTube silver play button. But that's pretty much it. This is the whole setup as you can see right here. I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो. If you have any questions about any of these equipments, let me know in the comment section as well. Thank you so much for watching. You can follow me on Instagram, on Twitter, on LinkedIn at Ishan Sharma 7390. The links for all of these will be in the description. You can share this video with your friends and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.